Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm LEXIS and Company. So guys, today our topic is the difference between the void agreement and voidable contract. Before to discuss this concept deeply, we have to first discuss that what is the meaning of agreement and contract. So the agreement which is mentioned in the Section 2E of the Indian Contract Act 1872. According to this section, every promise and every set of promise forming the consideration of each other in an agreement is called the agreement. So let's discuss the agreement with an example. Suppose there is A and B. A promises to deliver his watch to B and B in the return B pay a sum of 2000 to A. So this is an agreement between A and B. A gives his watch to B and in the return, in the consideration, B are ready to pay 2000 rupees for his watch. This is called the agreement. Now we will discuss that what is the contract. According to the 2H section of Indian Contract Act 1872, a contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law called the contract. It is an agreement or a set of promises giving rise to obligation which can be enforced or are recognized by the law. In previous example, if the agreement between A and B enforceable by the court, then this is called the contract. So this is a difference between the agreement and contract. The agreement which is not enforceable by law and the contract which is enforceable by the law. So guys, now we will discuss that what is the void agreement and voidable contract. The void agreement, which is mentioned in the section 2G of the Indian Contract Act. According to it, an agreement not enforceable by the law is called the void agreement. Please remember, the agreement is only and also void, not a contract. Contract always voidable and agreement is always void, not a contract. For instance, an agreement by a minor has been held to be a void, means no minor. A person who have a age less than 18 called a minor, and minors agreement called always void. And section 24 to 30 of the Indian Contract Act clearly mention about the void contract, that which contract is void under this section. In upcoming videos we will discuss the void contract in detail and the section 24 to 30. Now we will discuss that what is a voidable contract. Voidable contract, which is mentioned in the section 2I of Indian Contract Act. According to it, an agreement which is enforceable by the law, at the option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not an contract, not the option of the other, is a voidable contract. Thus, a voidable contract which one could be avoided by the one party of a contract remain valid. For this, we can take an example. If anyone come into the contract by the undue influence, so that is the choice of a aggrieved party. That they want to avoid this contract or not. If they are want to avoid, then this contract called the void, means that they avoid this contract at his option. If they are not want to avoid this contract and want to remaining this contract or continue, then this contract called the valid. So the voidable contract are that which is void, which is called the voidable at the option of aggrieved party. So this is the concept of the void and voidable contract. Now we will discuss that what is the difference between void agreement and voidable contract. So a void agreement is always null. Null means we cannot continue. We have no option. This is uh, void at the initio, and it is means it is void initially, and if both party wants to continue, they cannot, because it's a totally null. And in the voidable contract, on the other hand, the voidable contract is a contract which can be avoided by the one party. Thereto, such a contract remains valid until it has been avoided. Means they are living till when they are not avoided by the one party, or we can say aggrieved party, but becomes void only if such, and when it is avoided. If it is avoided by a one party, then they are called become a avoidable. Means they have a chance between the two parties, then they can avoid or they cannot avoid, or want to remaining this a contract. Until such a contract has been avoided, right may occur in the favor of a parties to a contract. Guys, in this video we will discuss that what is the agreement, what is the contract, what is the void agreement, and what is the voidable contract, and what is the difference between the both. Hope you understand this concept. If you have any query and any question, then you have to asking me in a comment box. I will give my best to answer it. And guys, very thank you to all to watching this video.